What's up, RCP family? Listen, we are doing simple detailing today, and we want to focus a little bit on your tires. So let's say you want to show your tires some love and you want to knock the rust off of your tires. There are a few simple things that you can do. First, you want to start off with a good foundation, which is rinsing off your tires with some good water, right? You want to do this before you apply anything to your wheels as well as your rims. Second off, right, you can use simple things as an all-purpose cleaner. Right now I'm using Prime Time, where you can spray it on top of your wheels, right? When you do this, you want to let it sit for a few seconds so all the dirt can start running off of it. You see how that dirt is running off of the tire? This is a perfect time for you now to start scrubbing. This don't seem too hard, whether you're a detailer or a person that just like to keep their car clean. These are simple applications, simple things that you can do. Next, you want to rinse it off. You see how much your wheels are looking cleaner. But guess what? We didn't touch the rims yet. So we're going step by step. Next, I found out that using some clear acid on rust is some of the best solutions that you can do. Right? Some of the best product that you can use. So right here, I'm using clear acid and I'm spraying it all in there. I'm using the AK Multi Pro 12, right? Because I could store up more product into one thing. So I don't have to keep using a spray bottle. Like my mentor told me, you got to show it a little bit of love. You got to allow the wheels to speak to you. So as you're spraying it on there, you're watching it, you're paying attention, right? And because of this clear acid, make sure you're wearing your PPE, your gloves. If you're close to it, make sure you're wearing your glasses with the Z87 and a face mask. We're gonna allow that to sit a little bit before we start scrubbing. Next thing, you want to start scrubbing in between. You see how that rust is just falling off? It look like somebody just threw some brownie mix on your tires, right? But you want to get all the way in there. You want to get all the way in there, right? Even near your calipers, knock that rust off. Scrub it good. And if you need to, you could follow step 2, which is applying some more water, applying the clear acid to the rims again, and scrubbing once again. Oh, this is where I was. Very simple application, very simple steps. Like I said, it's for anybody. You don't have to be a detailer to be able to do these processes. If you know how to clean your house, if you know how to wipe off a counter, you will be able to clean your tires. Let's rinse it off and see how it came out. Now, if you notice, before we had a lot of rust all on the inside of the rims. We had it all on the outside of the rims, right? If you're a person from up north, we know wintertime come around and it's easier for us to get rust because we get a lot of rain and snow. So this is something good for you to be able to apply to your car to make sure all that's installed. Whether this is your first time or your fourth time cleaning your vehicle, if you follow these 4 easy steps, you will come out with a very good job. If you want to use the same products I used today, the link is in the description below. Much love, this is RCP America. Peace.